Welcome to Pencil Art Teen. In this video, I drew Kate Middleton, Duchess of Cambridge. This sketch was done on January 27, 2021, and took me about 2 hours to make. Please watch the whole video to see the steps needed and really enjoy the way I got to my outcome. Enjoy! First, we roughly sketch out her face shape, following the direction of her hair. Now it is important to take note that you should be sure of your angle. Where exactly are you drawing? Here I made the big mistake of making Kate's face upright in my sketch, whereas in the picture, her face is a bit tilted, making it harder for me to place her facial features. You can see how I made her chin further out, making her entire face look too big, where in reality, the mistake I made was placing the position of her head in the wrong spot. Now I know. Once you have done some rough sketching out, you can start seeing where you will put your shadows. Make a very faint outline of the important facial features, such as shading the cheeks, eyebrows, nose, eyes, lips, and mouth. If you have seen any of my past videos, you can sort of notice a pattern. That is, I always select the photos of celebrities or people who smile without showing any of their teeth. The reason for that really is because I had absolutely no idea how to draw teeth. Whenever I did, they would stand out and just look awfully odd. However, I received a little tip from a friend and learned how you shouldn't necessarily be drawing the teeth, but instead, you should be shading them in, meaning you shouldn't need to have an outline like the other features. Just shade in the shadows that you see. Also, another tip is, don't look at them as teeth. Just see them as mere shapes, and trust the process. You can do it. This was my first time trying to draw teeth again, so it took me a while to get to my desired outcome. So really, just take your time. There's no rush. Here, I'm using a cotton bud and the end of my eraser to both blend and highlight the lips and other features to make them look realistic. Try this and follow along with me. If you want to learn about shading or drawing any other facial features, the tabs of each of the videos will be shown above. Just click them. Or visit my channel and choose any of the videos you find interesting. Sometimes, during my sketching and filming, I see so many imperfections. But now that I'm watching, it actually looks pretty good, and I can see how much I have improved. So just trust yourself and don't judge too much until you are finished. The face is pretty much finished, and I am happy it looks like an actual human being. Looks quite realistic. Maybe not exactly like the Duchess of Cambridge herself, but maybe a slightly older, chubbier version of herself. Moving on to the hair, I made strands following her slight curls very lightly, and building up the strands until they darkened and made shadows to have depth and thickness. For more detailed instructions, please visit our website, itsthefam.com. I will be putting the link of the website and my social media accounts in the description below. Add in some final details, such as more blending, shading, and highlighting. So, this is the final outcome. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Until then!